Midnight hook. Imagine having a solid investment portfolio that grows. Second, explore alternative investments like real estate or cryptocurrency. These assets can provide additional diversification and potentially higher returns. However, they come with higher risks, so do your research and consult
with a financial advisor before diving. 7 o'clock. Pro tip 2. Alternative investments. Third, don't be afraid to seek professional advice. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance based on your unique situation. They can help you navigate complex financial decisions and ensure you're on track to meet your goals. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. 7:30 Pro tip 3. Seek professional advice. But the real surprise is coming. Let's look at the results you can achieve with these strategies. Imagine growing your initial investment of $100 into thousands over the years. With consistent contributions and smart investing, this is entirely possible. 8 o'clock results and next steps. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day and you don't want to miss the next. Our channel is dedicated to helping you make smart money moves powered by AI. We cover everything from stock market analysis to retirement plan. 8:30 subscribe CTA. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and stay informed. And most importantly, have fun with it. Building wealth should be an exciting journey. If you like this video, watch our next one on crypto trends in 2026. 9 o'clock and subscribe CTA. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new personal finance content every single day. The next story is even crazier.
Join our community of smart investors and start building your wealth today. 9:30 final thoughts. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. 10 horas.